How to bypass iCloud activation lock. No Apple ID, no PC. Have you forgotten your Apple ID password? Or, like me, I have been unable to proceed to the next step after entering the password. A notification keeps popping up indicating that the Apple ID or password is incorrect. Click on the blue words below, then select Use Device Passcode. Enter passcode. Are you sure your password is correct? Then try again. No matter how many times the error is prompted, you only need to keep entering the password until you see date and privacy. You are successful.